Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how to get PIA Proxy. There's what we call PIA Proxy. That PIA Proxy is another type of proxy because we have different type of socks proxy. If you watch my video about proxy, you know what I talk about SOCKS5 Proxy. So in today's video, I want to teach you how PIA Proxy works and how to log in the PIA Proxy, how to connect it and use it for any online activities. It's also a proxy that you can use to bypass anything, because in the video I taught about socks proxy, the previous video I only taught how to generate proxy free, how you can generate SOCKS5 Proxy free. But this video I'm teaching you guys now is how you can use PIA Proxy SOCKS5, because that PIA Proxy SOCKS5 is good. It's very good, very good. You can use it for dating sites, to do many things online. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's go to this site, piaproxy.com. So once you open this site, make sure you create an account. That is the most important part. You can see it now. Once you enter the account, this thing, they'll tell you to sign up. So as a first time user, you will just sign up on the platform. You can sign up, you just click on sign up, put your email and password. After signing up, you are good to go. But as for me, I already signed up already on this site. What I will do is just log in. Okay, let me sign in. This is my own login details. So after you log in, make sure you put the interface in desktop mode, because that is how you can able to get what I'm about to teach you guys. With this PIA Proxy, you can do many things. You can generate, you can bypass some app, because this one now you are using it in premium way. It's not that you are getting the Proxy free. Hope you understand. So let's say like this now, as you are on this page now, you click on this, you go to your right corner where they will locate your profile interface. So once you click this place now, this once you click that, to direct you to this page. Once you direct it to this page, you see different way to download this app. See, you see for iOS, you can use for laptop, you can use for Windows laptop, Mac, what do I call it, Mac OS, Linux, and then Android and iOS, which is iPhone. So because of I'm using iPhone, I'm using Android, I will have to download the app, because after you create an account, make sure you create an account on this site. After you create an account, download the app also, because that is where you will connecting your socks, because that is where you will be connecting after you generate everything on this site. So you download the app. Let me download the app. So make sure after you download the app, make sure you are downloading the app. I already downloaded the app, so let me just install it. I will install it, but I'm not opening it now because I want to show you guys something before opening the app. So once you download the app, let it install. Just done. So once you download the app, this page now, there are different kind of interface here. All you have to do is click on, so to get IP, because you need to get IP for this your account. If you don't have IP, you can't connect to any server. Maybe you want to use it to work, you can't connect to any server. So to get your IP, you need to load your IP here. Let me show you. I have IPs. So let me show you my IP first. So if you want to know your IP, you click on that SOCKS5 socks. So after I click on that SOCKS5, you can see I have IP of 9 IPS. That is my IP, because that 9 IPS that I have, I can use it to connect to many server of location, any IP location that I want. So you still understand what I'm talking about. So like this now, this is the IP. To get the IP, you need to come direct to me, because you can't generate it anyhow. If you want to generate it from this site, it is cost. Hope you understand. If you want to generate it through this site, it is cost. It will cost you more money. But if you chat me up that you need the CD key, because this is the CD key, you will redeem CD key. After you redeem CD key, that is what will give you this IP. Note, this IP, you need to have it, because if you don't have it, you can't connect to your location that you want. If you want to work, if you want to bomb, or if you want to use it for anything online, you can't use it. So you need to have this IPS. You can buy 5 IPS, you can buy 10 IPS. So depending on how long you want to enjoy the socks, sure you understand. So that is how it works. So you need to come my chat me up and get your redeem CD key. If you have vendors that you can get it from there. But note, if you get it on this site, on this PIA Proxy site, it will cost you a lot of money. But once you enter Nigeria, I can sell it for you. You will negotiate the price. It doesn't cost so, and get like 10 IPS. Like 10 IPS now, can get it from me. Just at affordable rate. Hope you understand. So let's get started. So once you give CD key number, it's just like a random number. Let me just say this is it. It's not it, but I'm just using this. Let's just say this is the CD key. You click on confirm. Once you click on confirm like this, it will add up on your IPS. As me, I have a new CD key now. I'll just put it. I'll show you what I meant. But that is what you do once you gotten your IPS from me. So just input it in this thing. Make sure you click. Make sure you hope you understand how you get to this page. You click on your profile, this thing, the email. Once you click on profile email, you see this something like this. You click on SOCKS5 Proxy. Once you click on SOCKS5 Proxy, you just scroll like this. You see the CD key, and you put the CD key and you press confirm. Once you press on confirm, it will load up. So in case maybe I want to load your IPS, once you create the account, that's what you will do. So that's why I'm showing you how to do it. So once you open this place now, once you get the IPS here, so the next thing now, you just go directly to the app. So you are done with this page. The next thing, to go directly to the app and connect to the source IP location that we want. Okay, let's go back to the app. Let's go to the app. So let me go to the app now. Okay, this is the app. So once you open the app, log in the same your account, the same account that you created. So once you log in, you see it like this. You see the interface like this. Hope you understand. You see the interface like this. So what you have to do is, this thing does not connect like this one. Doesn't connect. So what you do is just click on Proxy. After clicking on Proxy, you click on Proxy list. This Proxy now, you can select any location here. You see different location. If you want to search country, you can search it here. I hope you understand. You can search country. You just search your country here. You search it. So hope you understand. You search the country. Let's write US. Let's search. You can see different connection. You can see US here. So for the purpose of this video, I will just connect to California. This first IP. I first connect to this first IP. Once you click on that, you see, or you see it like this. You see the interface like this. So you know you are not connected. So you click on this button here, this on and off. You on it. So once you on it, it will be showing connecting. Note, if you do not have IPS, see my IPS balance. See my IPS, man. You know I have 9 IPS. If you don't have this at 9, if you don't have this IPS, you can't connect to. You can see they have deduct it to it. So if you don't have, and this PIA Proxy, you can't be using it for anyhow. Hope you understand, because if you are using it, you just be wasting your IPS. Hope you understand, because it's very powerful than VPN. I already talk about SOCKS5 Proxy, how it works. So this is PIA SOCKS5 Proxy. There are different kind of Proxy. Hope you understand, but this PIA, you know, it does like you have different kind of VPN. So that is how it is. We have different kind of SOCKS5 Proxy. So we have for PIA, we have for many products. Oh, you understand? So this is for PIA, and they are using it for many things, to bypass many things online. So, but if you don't get this IPS, you can't connect. So once you connect, like, let's go. We have connected to United States. You can see California. Let's go to our browser and check our connection. So just go to this popular website that people are using, normal. It's called war.net. So war.net, after you click on the site, you will see the location. Let's check the location of where we are, like this. So you can see the location now. You can see that we are in United States. You can see 90% disguise. 90% disguise. So you can see everything very sharp like this. Now you can enter any site, can enter with Facebook, can log in with any survey site, can use it. It's not only for people, but just know that people that is working online that want to hide their IP. Hope you understand. This is very good to use. So that is that on this video. I don't want it to go too long like that. So that is that on PIA Proxy. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video for more updates. You know, if you are hearing about PIA Proxy, this is what I am calling PIA Proxy. In case you enter my Telegram, you see what is SOCKS5 Proxy, all is SOCKS5, this SOCKS5 Proxy, you know, but this is for PIA, because they have many products. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in my next video.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.